Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about the data scaling feature. First, let's understand why we need to use data scaling. In this example, we have two charts on our dashboard. One shows sales revenue by product category, and the other shows sales revenue by company. As you can see in these charts, the value on the right is over 400,000. This is actually about 4 times larger than the value on the left. However, the bar lengths appear almost the same. So when we have multiple charts on a single dashboard, inconsistent scaling can occur. This leads to situations where values differ significantly. But the chart bar lengths don't reflect this difference, creating visual inconsistency. To solve this problem, we need to use the data scaling feature. Let's see how data scaling works. In this example, this is without data scaling enabled. Here, the values and the chart bar lengths, or the proportional lengths, are inconsistent and uncoordinated. What we want is for this bar to be about 4 times longer than that one. Let's see how to do this. Here, click on this button. This button here. Then click on Data Scaling. We can click at Scaling. Here, we need to tell the system which measure we want to apply scaling to. Once scaling is applied between these two charts, the system will create consistent coordination. It ensures that my values and my chart bar lengths, their proportional sizes, are on the same scale. Let's see the result. Great. After applying this, you can see the 400,000 plus value here, compared to the 100,000. Now the bar length, approximately 4 times longer. This makes the entire visualization much more coordinated. That's all for this lesson. If you like our channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching.